Okay, I think we're started. Uh, if you watched last time, and I hope you didn't, so let's assume you didn't, I was having trouble importing objects and then find the right mode, yes. And then applying the UV maps to them. And here's one I actually did previously, and you can see the hair is working, the horn is working. The hair is actually two pieces, tail's a separate piece. Eyes are working. Body is black, even though, let's see, Twilight body, we've got our body map here. And if we click on the body, go into edit mode, and you can see, we have our map for the body here, and it's lined up pretty well. So what's going on? What I eventually figured out, and I haven't completely figured out the problem yet. Object mode, let's select the hair. Ooh, I didn't mean to move it. Escape. Okay. Select the hair. Back into edit mode. And let's, well, so you can see the hair. Hair's working. We come up here. We have hair color front. Now here's the interesting thing. If we change which pattern, obviously, we're putting the wrong map on the hair, so we're going to get different effects. Oops. And if we go to the body, it's all black. So the problem seems like we've narrowed it down to that particular TIFF file. Even though it's showing up here, I don't know what is going on. But that at least gives me an idea of where to start. I wonder, does packing the image help? It shouldn't. Yeah. All right, that's as far as I've gotten. I don't know what's going on. I'm going to try. Go up here. Unpack. Use file from current directory. Here, let's just remove that one and open it again. Reload. Twilight body. Whoops, and I'm doing this. I should be doing this with the body itself. Let's fix the hair. Hopefully we haven't messed that up. All right. Back into object mode. And select the body, back into edit mode. Just a sec, I need to send a message to somebody. Okay. So now, I am going to, let's just remove highlight body altogether. So we have twilight body. I'm gonna remove it. Let's start fresh. All right. So we've got, I don't know why it zooms out like that. We're going to say open. And is there something wrong with the TIFF file? It sure doesn't look like it. Open. Seeing it zoomed. I should not have zoomed in because it zoomed in for me. Okay. Still haven't figured out what this is. I'm thinking it might be the back of the eyes, like behind the eyeball. No, that's the back of the eyes, right there, behind the eyeball. Anyway. Could be the ears. I bet it's the ears, though those look like they're probably ears. There's no holes for the ears. Anyway. Still not working. I am still completely stumpified. Oh, you know what? You know how I can tell if it's the image file that's causing the problem? Is tab out of edit mode. Let's select another part. Back into edit mode. And if we go up here, I already did this. Twilight body. It has that F next to it. Is that the problem? If I undo the F, what is this 3? Display number of users of this data. Oh. There is something really... Oh, now I have 2 copies of it. Because I... apparently did not successfully remove the other one. Neither of which are doing what I want them to. Ah. Wait a minute now. We've got all the different... So this is hair. Go back to hair. And... hair back. Come on. Alright. So let's undo that. And go back to the body. Now hold on. Let me see. It is really unlikely that anybody's going to be in the chat room, but I'm going to see if I can connect to it on my iPad without using screen capture. Or a screen sharing. Because that just bogs down the computer a lot. See, nobody in the chat room. This is more an experiment just to see if I can do it. Wait, it says 2 watching. That can't be right. That cannot be right. Nobody's watching me. I prefer to believe nobody's watching me. Alright, what was I going to do? Stream options. Add to stream info. Where is... Wait, it says go live. Am I not live? Oh, this is just the instructions. There's the encoder setup. There's my stream key, which is blanked out, fortunately. How do I... There must be like a share command. You know, a link I can send out. I don't see it. Stream options. I'm a little reluctant to go through all the options on the stream itself, though I've already would have displayed the stream key. Enable DVR, blah, blah, blah. Cards. Let's not deal with cards right now. Play ad. Change thumbnail. Create highlight. Where do I have use a keyframe frequency of 4 seconds or less. Currently keyframes are not being sent often enough, which will cause buffering. Current keyframe frequency is 8.4 seconds. I doubt I can change that while I'm running. But you know what? Maybe. Oh, what's this? Enable live chat, block spam messages. Analytics. Watch now. Share. There we go. Oh, is that all? All right. Let's see. Destruction live. Doing this on my iPad. Live. There it is. But now I have to watch my own ad. Oh, the irony. There we go. Where's the chat? That's what I really want. And now there's going to be infinite regression unless I turn the volume off. Okay. Haha! Now I have access to chat, and it's not bogging down this poor old computer. And it's going to be buffering, but who cares right now? Nobody's watching this. Let's see. What was I doing? Back to Blender. Back to messing around with Blender. Just have to remember, okay, change the keyframe frequency. Remember to do that afterward. So, I'm totally stumped. What? Okay, you know what? Back to object mode. X. I'm just going to delete her body. Now she's ghostly Twilight. Wow, you really realize how far back her eyes are set relative to her hair once her head disappears. Alright, file. How do I... It's not letting me unlink the block. How do I delete it completely? I might not be able to go that far. Image, invert, save image, reload image, replace image, open image, new image. There's no way, no easy way to remove said image. All right. In any case, I might just have lots of duplicate images if I keep trying this, but we'll see. Import. We're importing object file. Why am I not seeing... Where am I? Dropbox. Why is this here? This should not be here. I'm importing, yes? Blender. Pony models. Twilight. Twilight. Body. Import. Okay. We have a body. And it's at least showing something other than black. That's almost progress, it feels like. That's an interesting look, the white with Twilight's hair and mane. I feel like I may have seen that as a recolor somewhere. Anyway. Select. Do I need to do this part in object mode? Initial shading group. Let's double click to rename. Yeah, I just did that. Oh, this computer is slow. Double click. Not registering a double click. All right, you know what? I'm going to leave the name. Whatever. Okay, so I'm in object mode. I'm going to hit use nodes. And hold on. Tab into edit mode so we can see. Yeah, we need to. No, I'm not going to bother flipping this just yet. I should see something there. So we're in edit mode. Come up to our nodes. Shift A, texture, image texture. We'll link it up. Still haven't know if, oh, and that's the point where things go wonky. I'm gonna just open another copy of the image. And not UV body, because that's just the template. I want Twilight body. Let's see what this does. I need to adjust the settings for double clicks. I don't know if I'm clicking too fast or not fast enough. Boom. And nothing is happening. I mean, we're obviously in the right mode. Material mode works because it's working for the other ones. We've got initial, we've selected image. I mean, the preview shows it. I don't know what is going on. You know what? Let's go through the same process. This is just experimentation. See what I did. See if I can figure out what I did differently. Or if there's something different about the files. Those parts. Oops. Out of edit mode. Select that object. Into object mode. No, wait. I don't want to go into edit mode. I just want to be in object mode. And say, bye-bye, tail. We're going to start over with the tail. So, file. This is just a junk file, so if I cruft it up with all sorts of duplicates, import, I'm not so worried. Import, object file, Twilight. Oh, I wonder, no, that doesn't make sense. All right, Twilight tail. Double clicking doesn't work. All right, there's the tail. Tab into edit mode. There's the outline for the tail. Oh, and it even fits. I'm going to open Twilight tail.tiff. And it looks like I shouldn't. Oh, maybe I will have to flip it. It's not symmetrical. There's definitely something. That must be the base. Or not the base of the tail. Base of the tail is this part. The end of the tail. Let's slide this over so we can see what's going on. But nothing's happening. What's going on? That's right. We need to activate the nodes and add an image texture. And open. Yeah, this is where we want to open it. This is what confuses me, is I can open the file in multiple places, and I wonder if that's part of the problem. If I should open it in one place. I wonder if that's part of the problem. Okay, still nothing. But of course I haven't linked it yet. And it turned black. That is actually good news. I've been able to reproduce what I did wrong. Now if I can figure out what to do that's right, I'm wondering, in doing this, I've created, there's a tail there. I'm only seeing one tail. Oh, nope, there's another tail. Oh, that's interesting. I see tail dot. Oh, that's the UV, which I opened by accident at one point. Twilight tail. And if I come up here. Oh, I've got Twilight. Did I open Twilight UV tail just now? What happens if I switch to Twilight tail? Bam. Oh, maybe I did not duplicate the problem. All right. Object mode. Body. Edit mode. What do I have selected here? Whoops. I've got Twilight body.tiff. There's another Twilight body. But that has no effect. And nothing else is set. I am just totally stumped. Maybe just start over. Let me get a drink. Let's start over with a different pony. See what happens. File. Not even going to save this one. Nope. Oh, I didn't want to open. File. New. Woo, I'm getting hot. Okay. Be gone, evil cube. Alright, file. Import. Object. Now I'm going to have to go through the directory structure again. Dropbox. Blender. Main 6 pony models. Made by somebody on DeviantArt. Oh. You know what, I'm not going to try to say because I might get it wrong. Just go there. He's amazing. I think it's a he. Pretty sure it's a he. They are amazing. Let's try Pinkie Pie. Pretty sure I haven't done anything with Pinkie Pie yet. So now we're going to start with her body. Of course, it's a generic pony body. It should be I think it's the exact same file in all the directories. They all have the same body type. Oops. Hopefully, no body image problems here in Ponyville. We do not need our tool shelf, so we hit T to get rid of that. And up. And UV image editor. And we're going to need a node editor. Okay. So we've got this selected. I'm in edit mode. And oops, I'm getting a message. Let me see. And oh, okay. I'm having an OC made for me, so I want to respond to her fairly quickly. No problem. Okay. Um, I'm back. All right. Now, where was I? All right, I'm in object mode. Let's move the. Make sure I'm using the correct keyboard. I have two keyboards going here. All right, I tabbed. Why am I? Oh, all right. Tab into edit mode. Voila. Okay, I do not want a new file. I want to open a file, and again, we've got to go through the whole directory structure. What was I doing? Pinkie Pie. Pinkie Pie body.tiff. Oh, interesting. Pinkie. Oh no, she does have the UV. She only has the UV for the hair. That's. I guess since Twilight's the central character, she gets to have the UV for the body. Alright, and it zooms in on me. I'm going to zoom out. And it's upside down again. But you know what? That doesn't matter right now. Okay, sorry, got another message. Alright, so. Let's go into the materials again. Initial shading group. Not gonna bother. And sorry, I've got another conversation going on. What shade should the wings be? This is for the All right, I'm back. I am back. And I am still lost. All right, at this point, did I hit? Am I in? Yeah, I'm in the materials. I've selected. Got that selected. Initial shape. Sign, deselect. I'm not seeing the use nodes option here. It is here, however. Let me get rid of... Oh, switch keyboards again. All right, get rid of that. And you're supposed to be able to only do it in one place. This is interesting. This is different. This is a material. It is not a BSDF. This is a totally different look. You know, different. Let's see. Shift A. Input output vector. Ah, I'm in a different. Something's different here. Input material. This is different. What's going on? Oh, I know what's going on. All right. Where's Z? Where's Z on the keyboard? Oh no, I've rearranged the keys. Where's Z on a standard keyboard? I started rearranging the keys to Dvorak and then I said, oh, forget it. But I never moved the few back. Let's see. I know how to do it. I'll pretend like I'm about to tweet. And, oh wait, I've got this keyboard. Yeah, I thought so. Command Z. Why is it not? Command Z. Not working. All right, get rid of use nodes. Still, because I want to be, no, I'm in the Blender render engine. What the heck is going on? Shift A, this is even worse than what it was before. Because I should have a texture. Search. Image. There is no image. What kinda... Initial shading group. Here's a new material. Use shader nodes to render the material. I'm not seeing like there's supposed to be a default BSDF material. This is... Should I not be in edit mode for this part? Let's go into tab. Let's go into... Okay, object mode. Material. Got standard material. Let's go back to the initial shadings group. Okay, using shading. Color. Output. This is so bizarre. This is getting even worse. It's getting even more confusing. I want to... Alright, delete that. Let's try that again. File. Import. Object. Yeah, I don't want all in one. I want her pony body. Come on. Got her pony body. I'm in Blender render. Oh, wait. Yeah, I want to be in Cycles render. I suspect that was the problem. That was the problem. All right. So I'm just going to stay in object mode for now. Use nodes. All right, diffuse BSDF. That's what I want to see. Add texture, image texture. Boom. Color. Linked to color. All right. Where's preview? That's progress. We've got sort of the default, I don't know what to do, kind of thing going on. Let's click. We already have, excuse me, pinkybody.tiff open. All right, showing up in preview. What if we come over here and go to material? And she's black. Oh my. Bad word, bad word. Really bad word. I don't know what I'm doing differently. I'm ready to give up and watch some tutorial videos and see if I catch the one little thing that I'm not doing. Image, save as copy. Replace image, basically just reload it. Pony, not UV body, Pinkie Pie body. Replace image. That's not going to do anything. This is going into there. And it's going into there for the material output, image texture. All right. I give up. I am going to go watch some more tutorials. I swear I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing. I've done it. There must be one thing I'm doing differently. Hold on. Let's see. Let's see if the same thing happens if I import a different part before I give up completely. So let's go with eyes. Import. Okay, there are her eyes. So her eyes are selected. I'm going to go into edit mode. Okay, so we can see. I think these are the fronts, those are the backs. Okay. I'm going to click Use Nodes. Add texture, image texture. Put it right there. Whoops. Click, drag, connect those two. Okay, open. I'm going to try opening it here. Oh. Doing Pinkie Pie now. And we've got her eyes. Yes, those are UV for her eyes, UV for the hair. There they are, Pinkie Pie eyes. It's showing up in the preview. Obviously, it's not in the right place, and we're not even looking at the right. Here, let's switch Pinkie Pie eyes here. But, all right. Tab out. Wait, I see some white. Could it be? Could it just be? Edit. That. All right, A. Scale, Y, -1. Enter. See, the eyes work. Ah. What did I do differently? I don't know what I did differently. All right. I am declaring defeat for the moment. I'll be back, hopefully, with a solution. Bye-bye.